contestant Andy has shown true culinary talent with some ambitious and breathtaking dishes.
What's up? You have the hiccups. Oh no! That doesn't stop us from telling stories, does it? No, it doesn't. What do you have to say? What do you have to say, mister?
And then onion barbies. This week I'm doing little puff pastry cases with vanilla cream and strawberries on top. Why have you put yourself under so much pressure? We've all got to raise our game and just produce, high level of food. I know your expectations.
Can you say hi? Oh, that was very nice. That was very nice. Oh. Well, isn't that nice? Tell me more.
My ultimate ambition is to have a restaurant that does the sort of things that I love, and my family to be an integral part of that. Life's too short not to.
Yay, we're just kicking around, hanging out, missing everybody in the States. Yeah. Yeah, we're missing everybody. Say thanks for all the love, everybody. See you later. Bye.